Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your heart rate monitor to a Xoss G+ cycling computer. First, ensure your heart rate monitor is ready for use. If it's a chest strap, moisten the electrode areas with a little water for better conductivity. Then, wear the monitor securely on your chest or upper arm, making sure it's in direct contact with your skin. This activates the sensor, preparing it for pairing. Next, power on your Xoss G+ device by pressing and holding the right button. Once it's on, bring your activated heart rate monitor close, ideally within 3 meters. To initiate the sensor search, press both the left and right buttons on your Xoss G+ simultaneously. You will see an icon flashing on the screen, indicating that your Xoss G+ is actively looking for nearby sensors. Once your Xoss G+ successfully finds and pairs with your heart rate monitor, the heart rate icon on the display will stop flashing and remain static. You might also hear a short beep, confirming the connection. This means your devices are now communicating. You are all set to begin your activity, and your Xoss G+ will display your real-time heart rate data throughout your ride. For the best connection experience, try to keep your Xoss G+ at least 10 meters away from other riders' sensors during the initial pairing process. Remember, your heart rate monitor must be active and worn to be detected. The Xoss G+ cycling computer is designed to connect with ANT+ heart rate sensors, offering broad compatibility with many popular models. Enjoy your enhanced training.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.